to turn on or off the Vanish mode on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy and quick way to turn on or off the Vanish mode on Instagram. So do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to hop into Instagram app on your device and make sure that you sign in or log in to your Instagram account. Once done, you have to simply select the chat button at the top right corner of the screen to access the chat sections. Here you need to open any particular chat where you want to turn on or off the Vanish mode on Instagram. So in this video, I'm going to show you the two methods. You can follow any one that you wish to. You have to simply swipe up to turn on Vanish mode, and to turn it off you can simply again swipe up to turn off Vanish mode. The other method is simply select the name on the top of the screen and then select the option of privacy and safety. Just open it. So here in multiple options you will see Vanish mode. Simply if you want to turn it on, you need to toggle on the button. If you want to switch it back to off, simply toggle off the button. So that's how we easily turn on or off Vanish mode on Instagram.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.